been this morning. It's only 4:30, isn't it? Yeah. So we're back home now, back from Dublin, been back a week. And we're out again for another walk, another all trails. This time we're only 7 minutes from home.
Yeah, not too far.
No, come to Thornley Woods, all trail circular. So come along and enjoy this one. So Thornley Woods is next to the River Derwent in Gateshead. I nearly said Newcastle, but it's not, it's Gateshead because we're the other side of the River Tyne.
Yeah,
which is the Gateshead side. And this side of Thornley Woods is somewhere where we've never explored before.
Even though it's on our doorstep.
Even though it's on our doorstep, we always used to do, well, we've got some videos actually of the walks we've done on the other side. So I'll link them into this video so you can check that out as well. Look at this though, the sun is shining this morning.
It's beautiful, isn't it?
Lovely
March morning.
I was just about to say it's a lovely March morning.
Yeah.
Coming into spring.
I love holly.
Holly.
Yeah, it's nice when it's got the berries on. Reminds me of Christmas.
Seems to be well signposted to start with. I listened to the bird song this morning.
You can hear them.
Up there, look.
Yeah. Hopefully you might see a little bit of wildlife here.
Hopefully.
You never know.
There's deer on the other side we've seen.
Yes.
On our walks over there.
Right, watch this because it's going down.
Go on then, I'll stand up here and watch. Anna was just saying there,
Oh, it's Robin.
all the years that we've lived here, we've never explored this side.
No, 15 years we've lived in Newcastle, we've never been here.
He's having a bath.
Little Robin.
There's no chance we're going to see him on camera, but
You might be able to see him there.
just in the mud.
There was two of them, which is usually unusual, isn't it?
Obviously there was a lot of rain yesterday, in the past few weeks actually, so these steps are kind of muddy. Let's just hope Anna don't go for another slip.
Not today.
Not today. A few stairs to climb now.
I know.
Well, you've had your Weetabix this morning,
Doesn't mean a thing.
so you should be fine.
Full of cold.
Start this one again because Anna was full of sneezes.
Got the cold.
Said on a few videos back that maybe our videos about walking are not for everybody, but the reason we do them is because obviously we enjoy the walks and we like to, you know, keep a record, a video log of where we've been.
It's not just that as well though, is it? Because we're indoors all week.
Yeah, especially when you're stuck inside all week working, it's, you know, you've got to get out into the fresh air, and that's the other reason why we bring these videos, is just to try and encourage you to get out and explore your local area. You don't have to go far. It's just the exercise and the fresh air. You know, it's good for you. Like I say, especially when you've been stuck in an office or inside all
That's
week.
probably for the cold.
Probably. But you know, if you're interested in these walks and getting out, then you know, if you're car camping or motorhoming and you're touring around the country or wherever, you know, hopefully our videos will give you some ideas of places where you can get out, stretch your legs and just explore. That's the first half of the walk done.
You see, take my hat and gloves off because it's gone warm.
Brings you back to the Thornley Woods Visitor Centre. There is a cafe there that opens at 10 o'clock.
Daily.
So we're on the other side now, the Derwent Walk Country Park. And we're hoping to see some wood carvings on this route, because according to All Trails and the photos that are on there should be some wood carvings. So
they look pretty awesome, don't they?
Yeah, so we'll look out for them. Nice, still lit. Sun coming through the trees there.
It's a different day to what it was yesterday.
A number of walks around this area, as you can see from the signposts.
Sculpture trail, that must be the one we're going on.
There is a nice 4-hour one called the Redkite Trail. You can find that on All Trails as well, but it's listed as being a hard walk. So probably need to give ourselves all day to do that one and be a bit more prepared. As I say, there are a number of walks around here that you can explore. There we go, look, we found our first one.
Woody woodpecker. Oh, you've missed one, look. I didn't see that either.
Oh, cool.
Yeah, that's it. Wow.
This one's awesome, isn't it, Anna?
It really is. Look at this.
How about that?
That is one amazing wood carving.
Look at that view, guys. That's straight across to Gateshead and Bertley.
And where are
Fantastic.
we? In the woodlands.
In the woodlands, 7 minutes from home. And Anna's just spotted a huge red kite just fly above us, but
we missed
unfortunately
it.
didn't have the camera on.
Walk around like this.
Never have the camera on at those moments, do you?
No.
Hopefully.
We might see more because we are in the red kite area, aren't we?
Yeah.
Just keep looking up. You can't miss them.
No.
Go down this way. There was two up there.
I've just literally heard a red kite and seen him through the trees.
There was two though.
Was there?
Yeah.
He's there. He's just going behind the...
Way too far. He might come back. There he is. He, she, we don't know.
Choose your favourite, but I think so far this is probably one of mine. Look at that. Look at the mist this morning. Smells fresh as well, doesn't it?
Yeah.
And there you can see the Gibbside monument there, look.
All right. Poking up from the trees.
There's Gibbside Gardens over there as well, which we've never been to. It's a bit flooded this morning.
It's absolutely beautiful, isn't it?
It is, isn't it? And then right there behind Anna is the Derwent Valley Railway Viaduct. Which is obviously no longer a operational railway line. But it's a multi-purpose route now for cycling and walking and horse riding as well. Like I say, I'll drop the link for our Derwent walk video.
Oh yes.
Into this one. For those that are interested.
Just get out and about.
Yeah.
Hey. There's lots of little robins. There's another one over there. Little robins, they are little, but little robins.
that mist this morning. It's awesome. Anna walking away at the top there. It's away. Wow, this is why you've got to get out. Say it all the time. Get yourselves out. Explore your local area. I need to try and get up there somehow. Wish me luck. Ah, that was easy. That wasn't so bad. They're great views down there. Honestly, fantastic. Look at it.
It's beautiful, isn't it? It's beautiful. Not a soul around either. No?
Apart from the lady with her well-behaved 4 terriers.
I know.
They were really well behaved.
They were really well behaved, weren't they? Yeah.
What's wrong with this picture?
I don't know what's wrong with this picture. I didn't see that.
That's the old Derwent Valley Railway line down there that I was talking about earlier. We've just come across one of the old bridges.
Alright, there's a viewpoint.
Heading up to Loch Howe viewpoint, and hopefully
we're back on the yellow trail.
This is where
we get the sculptures again.
Sculptures are going to be.
Oh, get excited about sculptures.
There you are. Right. Whoa, look at that.
What are they going after?
He had something in his mouth anyway.
What?
Yeah, look, he's eating.
I can't see where he is.
On top of the telegraph pole.
Oh, right.
Right between the lines. There's another one circling above those trees over there.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's had a catch, he has.
He's calling the other one. Hear him.
Not sure how good this zoom's going to be.
Hear him calling.
Yeah.
Here
You
he
watch
goes.
the minute I stop
Here he
recording. There
goes.
we go. Oh, look at that. That was great. Just to see that red kite sitting on top of that telegraph pole. With his catch.
Yeah. And flying off as well.
Yeah.
That's what it is around here, isn't it? All the red kites,
it's
but it's
fun.
catching them.
It's fantastic, isn't it?
Yeah.
Absolutely awesome. This has probably been a really good walk actually, isn't it? Right on our doorstep. And it's been really good. Such a lovely day as well.
And it's nice to see them in nature, isn't it? Their own environment.
Anyway, let's try and see if we can find some more of these wood carvings. And then we're almost done for this one. And this one's pretty awesome too. I think you'll like this one. Look at that. It's been a great one today, hasn't it?
It has.
Really enjoyed
nice.
it.
It's really warm.
I've seen loads today.
Oh my eyes.
These wood carvings, red kites.
I hope the lady finds her lost dog.
Yeah, I hope this lady in front of us finds her lost dog.
Yeah.
So, yeah, it's been great.
Yeah. I'll catch you on the next one, wherever that may be.
Yeah, don't know where that'll be.
I don't know where they're going to be. No, we've got no plans at the moment.
Just take each weekend as it comes.
Yeah.
Cafe at Thornley Woods, open daily from 10 AM. So you can swing by and enjoy a coffee anytime. Get yourself a bacon or sausage bat with tea or coffee, $3.95.
That's Not a bad price, is it?
Fancy some lunch?
Shall we have brunch? I don't have time, I'll stop my watch.
Yeah, go on, let's have some.
Look.
Tell you what, that was worth a visit, wasn't it?
It was, yeah.
$7.95 or
$7.90.
$7.90 for 2 sausage sandwiches, coffee and a tea.
And it was a big cup of coffee and a pot of tea, wasn't it? So it was well worth it.
Thornley Woods Visitor Centre, absolutely come along here and support them. Seems to be quite a few activities and stuff in there as well.
Yeah. We've got cakes,
scones, different meals and stuff.
Yeah, the meals were $3.95.
It's good. Yeah.
Very good.
Support your local community.
Last order for food is 3 o'clock.
Right. And they're open from 10 daily.
Yeah.
So
Not
there
sure
you go.
To what time though.
And that does bring this video to an end.
Yes. Okay.